The Curriculum for Wales, a journey to purposeful learning. The Curriculum for Wales requires a new approach to curriculum design, one that is focused on supporting learners to progress towards the four purposes. This series of videos is designed to support your curriculum design processes. Each video supports expectations for designing learning through the lens of one of the 6 areas of learning and experience within the Curriculum for Wales framework. We will explore how the progress of learners can be improved through designing learning experiences with purpose, making deliberate decisions around why specific learning matters and is worthy of a place within our school-level curriculum design. In this video, we will focus on the health and well-being area as a vehicle to supporting learners to realising the 4 purposes. A healthy body, mind and relationships are important for learners to navigate life's opportunities and challenges and understand how to stay healthy, happy and cope with life's ups and downs. This area of the curriculum provides a holistic structure for understanding health and well-being. This area is made up of key components: physical health and development, mental health, emotional and social well-being. Whilst each discipline has its own specific body of knowledge, skills and experiences, it helps learners appreciate how different components are interconnected, and it recognises that good health and well-being are important to enable successful learning. This purpose can become lost if we only base our curriculum design on learning a body of knowledge or simply a topic or theme. Instead, we want learners to make sense of their learning and see how it connects to other things they've learned. Our expectations for curriculum design within Curriculum for Wales encourages us to maintain a focus on the purpose of learning within the statements of what matters. What matters in this area has been expressed in 5 statements which support and complement one another and should not be viewed in isolation. To achieve this holistic approach, teachers should draw across all 5 statements when planning activities. Together, they contribute to realising the 4 purposes of the curriculum. When we design curriculum content, we need to ensure that it allows learners to progress in the ways described in the principles of progression. In addition to deepening the understanding of the ideas and disciplines within the areas, our goal is to ensure that learners are becoming increasingly effective and supported to make connections and transfer this learning to meet increasingly challenging ideas. For example, learners may experience learning about the importance of keeping safe online. This may stem from several disciplinary topics and it may occur multiple times throughout a learner's education. But without understanding the purpose of the learning at each point, a learner might struggle to see the wider importance and factors which could impact their health and well-being and relevance of this learning as they develop. Learning and support on health and well-being is essential for learners to navigate a range of challenges, including the prevalence of social media and online harassment. These, amongst other significant challenges, are likely to have far-reaching consequences on learners' mental and physical health and well-being. In a content-only driven approach, we risk learners focusing on discrete learning about keeping safe online and having a superficial understanding of the topic. They may not realise wider considerations and the impact of social media and technology in their lives, such as how to identify, mitigate and seek support around common risks online, legal considerations, the importance of healthy relationships and developing strategies to mitigate peer-on-peer harassment and cyberbullying, how to practice safe and responsible behaviour online, social influences and how to develop the skills and understanding to make positive decisions, screen time and overuse of social media and the negative impact on their health and well-being, developing strategies to maintain positive mental health and emotional well-being, understanding the relationship between mental health, the use of social media and the possible impact on body image. By embedding online safety across the curriculum, learners gain a broad and deep understanding of the issues and risks. This develops positive behaviours and provides learners with the knowledge and skills to navigate the digital world safely. This broad approach will support learners to develop critical thinking to help make safer and informed decisions. It will focus on learning about healthy relationships, exploring how to prevent cyberbullying and harassment. And it will support learners in understanding the impact of their behaviour online and how to handle negative and harmful incidents. Online safety is a critical component of the Curriculum for Wales, and key aspects in the curriculum include the health and well-being area of learning and experience. Learning in this area is fundamental. Learners should understand how technology affects their lives and how to make good choices online. This includes knowing about risks, staying safe in online interactions, and being aware of legal and social issues, including social media. The Digital Competence Framework. Through the citizenship strand, learners will understand how to become good digital citizens who contribute positively to the digital world around them. They will be prepared for the positive and negative elements of the internet and will develop strategies to aid them as they become consumers and producers of content. Relationships and Sexuality Education, RSE. The RSE Code aims to tackle issues like bullying, misogyny, sexual harassment, and discrimination. Online safety is a key feature in the code. It helps learners understand the need to keep safe online, the steps needed to protect themselves, and when to share upsetting or uncomfortable experiences with a trusted adult. It also helps learners consider how to respond to discriminatory, disrespectful, and harmful behaviours online and offline. As the curriculum for Wales evolves, we must move from this content-only learning approach, which prioritises the what, to a new approach that prioritises the why of learning. This new approach supports learners to see the wider relevance and purpose of a topic or issue by reframing it as an example designed to explore a larger concept, process, theme, or principle. This enables each school and setting to understand how the National Curriculum for Wales framework is used to design learning that builds on what your learners already understand and have experienced. In this way, we can still include specific topics, knowledge, skills or experiences, but by reflecting upon and interrogating the why of teaching that topic or theme, we can develop it into a richer, more purposeful learning experience. Now, going back to the example of online safety, as we continue to ask why, the purpose of our topic expands ever wider. For example, in health and well-being, the statements of what matters are designed to be used together to explore a topic holistically. So, when we look and teach online safety, we now ask questions like, how is physical health affected by online activity? Or mental health and emotional well-being? How might a particular emotional state affect situational judgment? What social influences are involved in online safety? How might interactions influence people's behaviour? What does it mean for relationships? How are learners persuaded by social media influencers? How can language and diverse experiences connect individuals and groups? By replacing the teaching of isolated topics or techniques with a focus on broader conceptual understanding of health and well-being, we move learners from the feeling that they are working through a list of unconnected topics to a place where they can see wider concepts and draw parallels and connections between different areas of their curriculum, creating a richer, more engaging and purposeful learning experience for all. So, what next? You can access further support on Hub to guide you on your journey to realise the curriculum for Wales. Education in Wales is evolving to ensure our young people are equipped with the knowledge, skills and experiences that will support them now and in the future.